Alright, so yeah, trying to record a guitar part. Okay, now I do have two pedals, a Digitech reverb and an equalizer. So if you use that equalizer, it kind of reduces the hum by scooping out the mids. There's still a little hum, but it does help because it does have like a loud hum a while ago, but it's not as excessive. Okay, and yeah, once you do record, finish recording, yeah, it kind of disappears. But let me just see. Yeah, the song is called Deep River Blues. By the way, I'm using a V8 sound card. Okay, with my Django guitar. So 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. Okay. One more time. Yeah, there's really a hum, but with the settings applied, let me see if it did work. I want to see the final output.